Welcome, in front of me is a NOKIA G50, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device using settings. So to get started, obviously you want to open up settings. From here, scroll all the way down to system, where you'll find advanced, and then you'll find reset options. And in here, you want to select delete all data, factory reset, which will bring you this message that performing this will remove things like your Google account, system, apps and data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and user data. So if there is anything that you would like to keep that isn't stored in the cloud, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, click on erase all data. If you have some kind of screen protector, you will need to confirm that. As you can see, I do have a pattern, so just draw it, and then I can tap on erase all data. This will begin the process. Now this will probably take about like 5 minutes or so, and once it's finished I should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.